Hey everyone, let's solve another LeetCode problem, which is remove element using Python. The problem is, given an array of numbers and a specific value, we need to remove all instances of that value from the array and return the new length. Let me show you how we can tackle this using Python. Here we have a function named remove element, which is receiving two arguments, nums and value. Value is the number which we have to remove from the list of nums, okay, list of integers you can say, and this will function return int value. Okay, I will define a pointer named as index to keep track of how many or the new length of the list. Okay, I will initialize it with 0. Okay. Now we will loop through the array using another pointer I. Here we will check if the current element, which will be nums of I, is not equal to val. If it is not equal, we move that element to the position indicated by the pointer index and then increment index. Finally, we will return the value of I, which represent the new length of the modified array. Return index. Okay, so let's run the program. Case 1 is accepted, case 2 is accepted. Let's submit the program. And there you have it. We have successfully solved the remove element problem on LeetCode using Python. Coding is all about breaking down problems into smaller steps and finding elegant solutions. I hope you found this explanation helpful.